Next, we'll check how we can access individual characters of a string. Now, strings are indexed. So we can access individual characters using indexing option. See here. Now, this is our string, hello world. Now, strings are indexed as we have said, and indexing always starts from 0. This is your 0th character. This is your first character. This is your second character. Likewise. And you can access these individual characters by using square bracket like this. Suppose if I want to print first character, so I can say S0. This you can say as a subscript operator. This square bracket what we are using. When you say S of 0, it will access first character as indexing starts from 0. If you say S of 1, it will go for second character. Okay, S of 2, and likewise here. So we can access individual characters using indexing, and we can even access range of characters by using slicing, that we'll see afterwards. Okay, so slicing is just accessing more than one characters or range of characters. Now, as we have stated right now, index starts from 0, and if you try to access any character which is out of index, you will get this error, index error. Means like here, if I try to say S of 21, now that character is not there. You are getting error over here, index error, that is string index out of range. String index out of range. Now, this is one important aspect of Python, that we are having option of negative indexing also. See this string over here. To write a string hello, we know that first character is at 0th location, and we can access next character by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That we already having idea. Now, new option is this, that we can even access this character by negative indexing. So in that case, this character is having index of -1, this is -2. Likewise, see here, if I say S of -1 here, it will print last character. If I say -1, it will print last character. If I say -2, it will print second last character, and goes on like this. So we can access string from this side also, starting from 0. We can access string from this side also, starting from -1. Now we'll come to this option, that is slicing. Okay, means we can access, as we have said, we can access a range of characters also by using slicing operator. Slicing operator is just nothing but colon. Just check it. We consider this is your string hello world. This option we have seen to access a single character using positive index. We have seen this option also, accessing single character using negative index. Now we want to see this option, that we can access range of characters by using this slicing operator colon. So check here. See, this is your string hello world. Now if we say like this, what will happen? It will access range of characters from 1 to 5. 1 means it will start from this character E, and 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this case, understand one thing, 5 is not inclusive. 5 is the end point, it is not an inclusive character. So outcome you will get ELLO. Here I say 1, 4. Now it is not printing O. O is actually 4th character, but it is not printing O because 4 is not inclusive. 1 to 4, it means characters will be 1, 2, 3. So this is your first character, this is your second character, this is your third character, 1, 2, 3. So it is printing ELL. We can access strings by using this slicing option, by using this colon operator. Okay. Now here also we can go for negative indexing. Here means I can say like 6 colon -2. 6 colon -2. So see how we can check it out. Here we'll do it over here. So this is your string right now. See, this is our string. If you try to index it, indexing will be like this in positive format. Space is also valid character, so you need to mention that character also. See, these are your characters in positive direction. On negative direction, I will not write down it fully. You consider it like this, like this. Now, what we are trying to print, string from 6. So it will start with 6th character, that is W, and -2. -2 is this character L. So WORL. But as we have said, this is not inclusive one, so L will not get printed. It will be only WOR. Yeah, so printing WOR. So you can, while slicing also, we can use this negative indexing also. Now here, if you print like this only, means without mentioning any starting ending character, it will go for a full string. Can print full string like this also without mentioning any starting ending character. If I say like this, in that case, first character will be always considered as a 0. No need to mention it. First character will always be considered as a 0th character. So no need to mention it. Your string will get printed from 0 to 5th character. Same, we can do like this. In that case, this will be always considered as a last character. So no need to, you can even skip starting ending character and it will be considered as a default value. Same case regarding with negative indexing also. If I say -5 over here, just think in reverse fashion, -5 is this character, okay, and it is going up to start here. So these are various options to slice your string. Now on another last option we will check here, see what we are saying. This will print your complete string. Here I am saying 0 to 5, so this will print hello world, that we know. Now another parameter we are using 2. Another parameter, third parameter we are using by saying value 2 and check what is output exactly. It is printing HLO, means like when we skip this 2, outcome is this one, hello, and when we use this third parameter 2, what we are getting, HLO. So it is printing this character, it is printing this character, it is printing this character, means it is taking every second character from that collection. It is taking every second character from that collection starting from 0, as we have said 2 here. If I say 3, it will go for HN, this H and this L. Okay, so at some point of time you can even go for this third parameter also to access the respective number character over here. Okay, so these are various options to slice your string. So once again, you have seen how to access an individual character by using positive indexing, how to access a single character by using negative indexing. You can access a range of characters by positive index slicing. You can even use this negative index. You can skip this starting character, it will be always considered as a 0. You can even skip this last index, that will be always considered as the end character index. You can slice by only using this negative index and skipping the starting character, and we can use this third parameter to access the respective number character from the collection here. So these are different ways we can slice our string. Next, there is one library function len by which we can access or by which we can come to know the length of collection or count of number of atoms in collection. So if you want to find out length of string, simply we can say len s. This will return you length of string or number of characters in that string. Now see, this is very generalized function len. We can use it with list also, we can use it with set also, we can use it with dictionary also. So you don't consider it as a string length function. It's a len function which is used to find the length of data structure or length of sequences like string, list, tuple. Everywhere we can use this len function. Now next we will come once again to that point that we have said strings are immutable. Strings are immutable, that we said in previous slide. Now it means that we can't change the length, we can't change the content of a string once it has been assigned. Means like, suppose now you have created this string hello world. This is your first character, we know it as 0, hello. Now if you try to change this character, means if I say s0 go to h, okay, we just want to change this first character. If you try to print this string, here you are getting error that str object does not support atom assigning. Means you can't change the content of this string, can't change the content of a string. If you want to change it, means suppose if I create this new string by changing that character like this. Okay, in this case we change that character, but this will be considered as a complete new string. This will be considered as a complete new string. So better wording is like that: you can't change the length, you can't change the content of a string without creating new object. Without creating new object. That is very important thing in case of string, that strings are immutable. You can't change content of a string without creating new object. Now you can delete your string. You can completely delete your string by using this del keyword. Del, once again say, it's a versatile keyword. It's not only regarding with string. By using del, you can delete any object. So if this is our string, here we are printing it. Now we are saying del s, means we are deleting this string now. And if you try to print it once again, it is giving you error because name s is not defined, because we delete that string. We deleted that string here. So we can completely delete string or all characters of string by using this del keyword.